The coronavirus is putting a strain on opening polling places for the November general election. The president of the Maryland Association of Election Officials says there's a shortfall of nearly 14,000 judges statewide.
We're not going to be able to make up this election judge shortfall.
Election judges are essential workers. Polling places can't open without them.
The people that initially confirmed they would work are saying they cannot or will not do it because they won't put their health at risk or the health of their families.
Baltimore City and County are also grappling with an election judge shortfall.
We need at least 2,500 to 3,000 judges to open up 296 precincts.
The City Board of Elections has launched an aggressive recruitment drive for judges. In addition to that challenge, the city doesn't have enough polling places.
Most of our senior buildings, because of the age of those persons in the senior buildings, won't have us. One of our existing early voting sites, we can't go there. And some of the other polling places around the city, we can't go.
State and local officials are urging the governor to use more voting centers like the ones established during the June primary instead of opening all polling places.
In June, we had 6 vote centers. If we expanded it to maybe 10, 15, and do the mail-out ballot, that would help a whole lot, eliminate us needing to recruit 3,000 judges.
Adding more ballot drop-off bins may not be an option because of the cost. The city paid $70,000 to secure just 15 of them during the primary. Meanwhile, Governor Hogan is telling the State Board of Elections that, quote, the state will encourage state employees to help supplement election staffing needs, end quote. But elections officials say so far, nothing has been done to get state employees involved.
Right now it's real bad.
According to the governor's press office, the budget office and the State Board of Elections are now coordinating a plan to reach out to state workers early next week. Reporting live from downtown, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.